Hi, I'm Michael Carney. I reside in the arc welding and DED processes group at EWI as a senior welding engineer. This topic was about high deposition cladding on complex shapes. We were approached with a problem on a couple different shapes where currently they are doing a single wire gas metal arc weld. And they add a cold wire to it. And the issue with that is they are getting defects when they're using that process. So what we did is we came in and we kind of looked at the landscape to see what other processes would be a better fit. We kind of went on a fork in the road. Our laser group actually did a process, but what I presented on today was the arc welding portion, which is a non-conventional use of tandem gas metal arc welding. That's a two-wire process where there's two welding arcs. Really what we were trying to do was how could we develop about a 2-inch wide band clad at or better than current production rates without defects. And that was really the goal of the project. Anytime we're looking to build up a cladding, a buttering, this process could be used. We were able to put down a 1/4 inch thick, about 2-inch wide band of material. We did 3 different materials as part of the case, a nickel copper, and then a copper nickel. And it really showed that it was a pretty versatile process. You could reach out to myself, Dr. Dennis Harwig, or Jim Hansen at EWI.